Hello there. Welcome to the latest episode of ActiveCollab Recaps. In March, we fully transitioned most of ActiveCollab accounts to the newest version of our software. We also revamped time reports, client invoices, invoices in PDF, and recurring events in Calendar. Keep watching to learn more. ActiveCollab 8 Rollout. From now on, those of you using ActiveCollab in English will enjoy version 8 only. This means over 100 new and improved features will be fully integrated into your workspace, with no interruptions to your workflows whatsoever. To make ActiveCollab 8 available to a greater number of our users, we're employing large language models that help ensure accurate translation. This is currently available to our early access program users, before it's verified and out to all of you. Please note that if you're using the QuickBooks integration, you won't be migrated to the new version just yet. We're still working on this bit. We appreciate your patience. Time reports. Out of all reports ActiveCollab users generate daily, 75% of them are time reports. Now you can get even better insights into your productivity with improved time reports. For a neat overview, group data in 2 levels and decide which columns you want visible or hidden. Use added filters and sorting options to better analyze time spent on projects and tasks across your workspace. Save your most used filters as a preset and apply them to create time reports more quickly. Export your time reports as CSV files to further analyze them in another software. Client Invoices. In Client Invoices, you can now find 4 widgets with useful information. Uninvoiced hours, which is the total of uninvoiced tracked billable hours. Uninvoiced amount, or the total of all uninvoiced billable hours times their hourly rates plus expenses and fixed fees. Left to pay, so you can see how much a client still owes you. Paid says how much your client has paid in total. The left to pay and paid widgets can serve you as indicators of client payment behavior as well. From either of the first 2 widgets, you can skip to create invoices. Select the kind of invoices you want to issue, a free form, time and expenses, or fixed budget project invoice. Make changes if necessary, and you're done. You can also mark billable hours and expenses as paid here to record payments made outside ActiveCollab all at once. These features should help you manage client billing more easily. Invoices in PDF. When creating invoices, you can now choose how you want to format your billing addresses and whether or not to include your client's tax IDs. Tax ID property labels can be set in Invoice Designer. Recurring events in Calendar. In addition to importing external calendars, now you can also make changes to individual occurrences of your recurring events. For example, if someone calls in sick and you want to reschedule a weekly team call, you can do it on a one-time basis. Similarly, if a meeting falls on a holiday, you can simply delete that single event from your calendar and keep all the future ones in there. That's it for March. There's so much in the pipeline, so stay tuned. See you again next month.